Nvidia closed the day basically flat after nearly a 3.7% sell off. Now, in yesterday's video, we talked about how there is a major support level currently seated here on this volume profile from $170 up to about $180, and how if we hold this, the breakout will still continue. But if this gives itself up and we end up breaking below 170, that we could fill this massive volume gap all the way down to $145. And so far, that is exactly what has been happening. You can see the price pulled back today. We actually held the volume profile support. And for those of you who know how to draw Fibonacci's from our Smart Money Zone course, you will notice that price pulled right into that short-term Smart Money Zone and bounced. Now, I don't think that this is a time to be going long on Nvidia. The time to be going long, obviously, was when we were going long back here in April. Price was trading at Smart Money Zone. We had a significant discount. And since then, price is now up nearly 100%. Now, I am completely out of this position. I ended up selling at the 140s. So I definitely closed this out too early. But as I said in yesterday's video, my analysis still stands. I will continue to sit out of this trade and hold off until price pulls back to $144. If that does not happen, so what? There are other positions for me to trade. I still have calls on AMD. Currently trading about 52 other names at this point, and there's no need for me to force anything. I will only focus on trading things that are meeting my criteria. But if this support breaks, if $170 is taken, and if this massive sell-off occurs, which I think there's probably about a 60% chance of that happening, then I will definitely be looking to enter a position somewhere between $140 to $136. Because not only is that where we have a big volume support, but it's also where our Smart Money Zone is currently seated. And if you also notice, that area correlates with this prior resistance. So we know that old resistances will become new supports. So I think that worst case, if Nvidia does pull back, it's probably going to be between $145 to $140. And that is definitely where I will be looking to accumulate. If it doesn't happen, so what? It's not the end of the world. There are plenty of other things to trade. Real quick, if you want to get access to all of the indicators that you saw in today's video and learn step-by-step how to use them, go ahead and check out our free course library down in the description. There's no credit card, there's no BS, no catch. I'm not going to email you a million times. Our goal is just to provide free, legitimate value to our community to pay it forward. If I would have had access to this information when I first started, it would have changed my life. You can get access to all of the indicators such as the BX Trender, learn how to draw smart money zones, download and get access to our volume profile indicator, as well as much more. The link to all of our courses are down in the description.